The 2022 Baleno Facelift Spied Undisguised during a TVC shoot ahead of launch. This hints the launch could happen early 2022. The spotter model was finished in Nexa blue shade and was riding on new mission cut alloys which was shining through the night light. It's not clear through these pics, but those alloys looks like grown on size. Also clear is the new wraparound tail lamps or LED units. The 2022 Baleno was fully leaked last month, revealing almost all features of the facelift. From the leaked images, it's clear that all body panels will get a design change. The new front gets wraparound headlamps with L-shaped LED Drls. From the front, the car looks more wider than before, similar to ciaz sedan. New wider front grille reminds us the Kia Seltos grille design. There's a black strip runs below the grille which might get chrome finish on higher variants. The new bumper houses the wide air dam with glossy black horizontal slots, which merges perfectly with the fog lamp enclosure holding the round LED fog lamp units. The side might not receive major design change except new alloys and sheet metal changes to merge with the new headlamp and tail lamp units. The rear gets new redesigned tailgate, and the new L-shaped LED tail lamps extends to the tailgate like the Honda WRV SUV. The rear bumper also gets some design retouch to cope with the rear design. Like the exterior, the interior will also get a completely redesigned layout. The dual-tone dashboard gets a large floating infotainment system. This new touchscreen infotainment will also get a new user interface and added features. Control panel along with switches have been updated. The new unit seems easier to access and use. Steering wheel is also new and comes with mounted controls. The instrument cluster is likely to be a semi-digital unit, not very different from the current version. The new Baleno is expected to get updated upholstery and new interior color theme. The Baleno could be offered with same 1.2-liter petrol and 1.2-liter dual-jet mild hybrid engines mated with a 5-speed manual transmission. A CVT is available on the non-hybrid variant. From these recent spy shots during TVC shoot, it looks like the Baleno will launch prior to the 2022 Vitara Brezza. Thanks for watching.